Ever thought about making money while sitting on your couch? The surge in digital education has uncovered a plethora of possibilities, empowering anyone with a passion for learning and a dash of resolve to convert their abilities into a flourishing revenue stream. This video will illuminate some of the premier courses that can put you on the pathway to generating income from home. Stick around to uncover these courses that can aid you in earning a livelihood, or perhaps even establish a career without leaving your house. First up is digital marketing, an industry that's experienced tremendous expansion in the past 10 years. So, what does digital marketing entail? It involves using digital platforms such as social media, search engines, emails and websites to engage with present and potential customers. Essentially, it's about using the digital sphere to enhance businesses. In our technology-driven society, proficiency in digital marketing could be a game changer. Enterprises of their size are consistently searching for experts in digital marketing to guide them in the digital realm. This high requirement equates to countless job prospects and the possibility of generating a significant income. Plus, the advantage of digital marketing is its adaptability. You can operate from a lively city workspace, a peaceful rural house, or even a sun-drenched beach in Bali. It's primarily about being connected and imaginative. By choosing the course, you could become a digital marketing specialist and begin making money from any corner of the globe. Moving on to the domain of graphic design, a field teeming with inventiveness and adaptability. This sphere of artistic expression goes beyond the making of eye-catching visuals. It's about transmitting concepts, forging brand identities, and visually complexities. Graphic design is an integral part of diverse sectors like advertising, publishing, digital media, and even within the rapidly advancing arena of social media. Let's discuss its relevance in the job market. As the digital universe continues to grow at a remarkable speed, the need for proficient graphic designers is skyrocketing. Be it designing a logo for a budding enterprise, developing captivating social media content, or devising an aesthetically pleasing website, the possibilities are limitless. But how can one capitalize on this demand? A well-structured course in graphic design can furnish you with the requisite skills and expertise. It can help you grasp design fundamentals, get acquainted with up-to-date design software, and most importantly, create a portfolio that displays your artistry. Sharpen your artistic acumen with a course in graphic design and start monetizing your creative prowess. Let's embark on a journey into the realm of coding and web development. In this fast-paced digital era, understanding coding and web development is paramount. Each web page you browse, every application you use, all are given life by the wonder of coding. It's the unseen scaffolding that designs our internet interactions. Every enterprise, from startups to multinational companies, is seeking proficient coders and web developers. Visualize being the mastermind behind a novel digital terrain, developing engaging websites, and shaping seamless user encounters. An educational program in coding and web development can equip you with the tools to make this possible. You will acquire languages such as Python, JavaScript, and HTML, and before long, you will be creating your own websites from the ground up. Given the high for these competencies, you're not merely gaining a new language, you're entering a profitable career path. Plunge into world of coding and web development and discover a plethora of opportunities right at your disposal. Have you ever considered the boundless potential that these courses present? Now, it's your chance to act. Countless opportunities are at your fingertips, particularly in the realm of digital abilities. Whether you choose digital marketing, graphic design, or coding and web development, these courses could be your gateway to a lifestyle where earning from your cozy corner is a reality. Picture this: working when you want, from where you want. Say goodbye to the morning rush and the inflexible work hours. You can be the master of your own time, selecting projects that really spark your interest. This isn't a mere fantasy, it's a lived reality for many, and it could be yours too. These fields provide not only flexibility but also a chance for lucrative earnings. As the business world increasingly goes digital, digital skills are in high demand. By arming yourself with this knowledge, you're not just gearing up for the future, you're actively molding it. However, remember, every journey starts with a single stride. That first stride is signing up for a course and dedicating yourself to learning. It may appear intimidating initially, but remember, every expert started as a novice, so don't fear starting from scratch. Embrace the path of learning, as the wisdom you gain today will be your strength tomorrow. Don't stand by waiting for opportunities to present themselves. Sign up for a course today and open the door to working from home. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Thank you for sticking with us till the end of this video. We hope that it has sparked an interest in you and presented a clearer picture of the immense potential these courses hold. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up. It's a small action that goes a long way in helping us reach more people like you. Moreover, we'd love to hear from you. Are you interested in digital marketing, graphic design, or coding and web development? Or perhaps you have other courses in mind that you'd like us to explore? Drop a comment below and let us know. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Finally, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We regularly post content on various courses, career paths, and tips to succeed in the digital world. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, don't wait. Take that step today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing,